Hello everyone, my name is Alina. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to start practicing my speaking skills along with my art, so I hope you don't mind my accent. Usually I paint with oil on canvas, but today I decided to try paper. As a test I bought 3 types of paper of different levels. I got the first from Shein. It's very thick and has a canvas-like texture, but it's very rough. At first glance, I don't think it would work well for oil, since it feels more like cardboard. Next is paper from Strasbourg for professional painting. It's also very thick like the previous. This is the 400 series, also known as best. The texture feels very canvas-like on both sides and is pleasant to the touch. And finally, I decided to try Strasbourg 300 series, also known as better. It's not as thick as the previous, but I like the texture a lot more. It feels more smooth and has large grains. We decided to start out with our cheapest paper from Shein. In hindsight, this was a mistake. I couldn't get a base tone onto the paper because it would immediately absorb the Sensador and paint. I decided to tint the paint only using oil, but it goes on very poorly and dries quickly. The result doesn't feel like an oil painting. It feels like acrylic. If you ever tried painting oil on cardboard, the feeling is very similar. Probably the biggest downside is that you have to use a lot of paint since it's all absorbed by the paper. I also found it easier to mix the paint with my fingers there. The problem is likely that the paper needs more soaking in glue. I definitely wouldn't recommend this paper for oil paintings, but since I already started, I want to finish. I am following a sketch of my own work done in Procreate. Should be interesting to compare the result between digital and oil. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed and stick around for more art. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Bye!